Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. On this installment of Project ISF, we're going to deviate from our quest to make more power with this thing and focus on the suspension and handling for a little bit. The factory ISF has pretty decent sway bars from the factory. Being that it's an F Sport, the bars are technically upgraded to what you would normally see on your average vehicle, but there's still plenty of room for improvement. With the Sikky sway bar, it's a three-way adjustable bar, so it gives you that ability to tweak your setups, increase the stiffness of the bar for one scenario, like say you're at the track for the weekend doing some time attack or time trials, then you can put it back on more of a stock setting, which would be the softest setting that Sikky bar comes with, which was designed to be equivalent to the F Sport bar. We're also going to run this car through a quick slalom test with the factory setup, and then afterwards with the Sikky sway bars to measure the difference in stiffness. So today on this ISF, we're going to install Sikky's front and rear sway bars, get this thing handled a little bit better. All right guys, let's get these things installed.
Wow guys, as you can probably see, there's such a difference from before and after. The plowing's almost gone and the turn-in is much more crisp. Feeling way less body roll, so it's definitely a success and a huge upgrade from the factory F Sport bars. And I can't wait to get this thing on the track.
So since I wanted to push the car a little bit more with my sway bar setup, I ran the middle setting, and it was quite noticeable going from the softest setting to the middle. I would definitely say if I was at the track with some stickier tires or running the car harder, I might even go all the way to the full stiff setting on the sway bar. But either way, it was extremely noticeable in the car, and you can see it in the video a little bit, but you know, it's hard without a little more high-tech camera work to really capture the difference in the rolling of the chassis. But from a butt dyno or sitting in the car itself, it was quite noticeable, much more crisp and less flex of the chassis left and right, you know, being that it's still stock shocks and springs, so the only upgrade of the suspension at this point is just the Sikky sway bars. But Again, an amazing upgrade, highly recommend it, and definitely changes the characteristics of the handling big time.